guys, welcome back to AWMFX. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. I've been very busy these few days. So actually, in fact, today is Wednesday. I was only able to settle down and make some videos for you guys. But anyway, there has been a lot of good trade running these few days. But I'm gonna make a potential trade. So this is what I will expect. This is what I'm expecting. All right. So I'm looking at a AUD USD right now. Okay. So if we look at it, this is a H1 1 hour chart, and it's having a nice higher higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then ultimately it drops and then breaks the previous low. So you can consider this as your QML right here. Alright, QML, and it breaks the low. So now the price is slowly returning to this area. Why? It's because if you look at it properly, alright, if you look at it properly, there is another QML below here. Alright, so when the price broke, okay, this area, so this is a QML buy setup, and the price came back and then retest and then goes back up slowly. So now it's coming up and down around this area, is going nowhere. So I have a pending order around this area. All right, this area for it to sell. All right, but a lot of you do not know how to enter. So let me explain a bit here. So what I'll do is that for myself, okay, for myself, what I do is that because there is no clear MPL, QML, all those kind of things, then I'll switch it to smaller time frame. Then I can see there is something else here. All right. So what do I see right here is that there is a lot of rejection around this area. Let me do it clearly for you guys. So there is a lot of rejection around this area. Around this area, there is rejection, 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 rejection. So meaning that there is a high possibility this is my MPL. Alright, so let me highlight the MPL for you. This would be my MPL. So let me look at it. How big is the stop loss? Is 3 pips, less than 3 pips, 2.4 pips, around 2.4 pips. But for me, because this is quite unsure and there is not really some good information about this area right now. So what I'll do for myself is that I have put a entry at this fresh zone. So I always go back to the basic. Whenever I have doubts on things that I'm not sure of, I always go back to the basic. So if you guys know that for H1, if you guys with me for some time, H1 usually my stop loss will be around 10 to 12 pips. 10 to 12 pips. I tend to make it bigger. So let me see right here, we only have around 3.8 pips. So it's still very less. So anyway, I did enlarge my zone to this area until the edge. But my entry point will be definitely over here. Alright, so it will be around 8 pips. A bit bigger. I'm afraid due to the spread. Alright, so I'll talk about the spread in the next video. Alright, so what happens is that this will be my pending sell order. Let's go back to H1. This will be my pending sell order. So if you look at the price coming back at this H1, there is not much, or should I say there isn't any, there isn't any demand zone over here, because this is moving in a compression way. Again, same like this. So this is compression way, means that there is a high chance the price when it hit this area, all right, so it will drop below this part. Okay, below this part where it will be actually there is this small area that always bothers me, because this is a bullish engulfing. So I believe that it will react a bit over here. If it go past this area, the area that we are looking at will be this part. All right, will be this part. So you need to monitor. You have to remember, in forex trading, okay, in forex trading, not everything is predictable. You have to be reactive to the current market. You have to reactive to your current market. So it's either 1 to 8 risk reward ratio or 1 to, let's say, 1 to 14.8 risk reward ratio, somewhere around there. Let's make it bigger so that you guys have a more clearer picture, more realistic picture. So it will be around 1 to 6 or 1 to 11, somewhere around there. All right. So good luck to you guys for trading. So this will be my trade for this coming week. All right. So see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys learn a few tricks or tips about the QM sell setup and how I place my order and how I predict my take profit zone. All right. So see you guys next time in the next video. Thank you. Bye.